Hi, I'm Nuha, and today I will be showing you how I achieve my everyday makeup look. Something that is fresh face, something that I can just walk out and feel confident, a very natural kind of full coverage look. I normally just start off with a really good base and work my way out from there. I start with my brows always. I will be using Take a Brow. I'm gonna start with the bottom of my brow and just feather it up. Once I fill them in, I normally just brush them up. I'm going to use the Cover and Go foundation, which comes with a matching concealer, which is extremely convenient. I will apply it really lightly under my eyes just to cover up all the sleep that I clearly did not get. To blend out my concealer, I'm going to use the Blend and Blur sponge, which blends out beautifully. Just like that. To set my under eye, I'm going to use the Powderful Stuff Light Pressed Powder. The next part of my routine is my favorite part, which is contouring. For that, I'm going to use the Contour Me contouring blush duo lightly and just press it into your skin. For bronzer, I'm going to use Shimmer and Glow Shimmer Bronzer. Dip into it very, very lightly. For blush, I normally do something with a pop of pink, something just fresh. Next, we are going to work on highlighter, everybody's favorite part of their face. So to start off, I'm going to use Glow and Towel liquid highlighter and then just slowly dab it on my cheek. So normally where the light would hit. Next up, we want to set our highlighter. You don't want it to slip and slide everywhere. We are going to take the Shimmer and Glow Shimmer Bronzer and we're going to use the shades at the bottom. Ooh, this actually really nice. Next, I'm gonna do my eyes and I will be using the Wanderlust Volume Mascara. I use like a wiggle motion just to get in the hairs. I look awake. I do. So I'm gonna use Mattify Me Liquid Lips in the shade Nudie. So there you guys have it, my everyday look. I really like it. It has like a really glowy skin, chiseled cheeks and very simple eye and lip.